Hello and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk you through major talking points and features. Then of course I'll go around, take a seat inside, and again just walk you through some of the interior features in a bit more detail. The vehicle itself we have here for you is a 420D MSPORT Gran Coupe, presented in the black sapphire metallic, and alongside that we fitted the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. At the front of the vehicle, you'll see it is a 2017 plate and also inherits the very nice facelift as well. So we've got the LED angel light and LED projector headlamps. You will of course also notice the 20-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels that are all brand new with brand new tyres that was also just added to the vehicle as well. And they sit very nicely on anything within the 4 Series range as well. Down the side of the car, you'll see it's got the gloss black air breathers along with the satin sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. And of course I should be able to give you a nice general overlook at this car as we make our way around. So as you can see there, everything's nice and clean and tidy, and that black sapphire metallic paint looking all very nice. Onto the interior, well, we've got the black Dakota leather in this car, and again everything is all exceptionally clean and tidy, and we've got the electric lumbar and heated seat options. And for the interior trim wise on this vehicle, it's the brushed aluminium and high gloss black. It's the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox in this vehicle, and we'll show you around the rear seat configuration, which if you've not yet already seen for the Gran Coupe, you get a very nice spacious Isofix 3-seat rear bench with a central folding armrest, and in this car once again all exceptionally clean and tidy. And you'll also get on the MSPORT model such as this one, we've got a darkened MSPORT headlining, as you can see there, once again all very clean and tidy. Before we head round to the very rear, again showing you off those very clean and tidy alloys. Again, another feature BMW implemented for the facelift cars was these very eye-catching LED rear lights, along with a satin rear diffuser and high gloss black rear spoiler that we've added. The automatic opening and closing tailgate is a very useful feature in itself, along with having the large boot space as well. And you can see there the genuine floor mats as well as the split folding seat option as well, to really help you get the most out of that already large boot space. Round onto the other side of the car, and again I can show you just how nicely presented this vehicle really is, as well as those fantastic brand new alloy wheels. Before I head on into the side of the car, I'm just going to show you again the rear space of the 4 Series Gran Coupe. So on now, I'm going to go ahead, take a seat inside the vehicle and just run you through a couple of the major talking points and features. First of all, by starting the car up, there you can see we've got the lovely professional wide navigation and media screen, and of course I will have just run you through a couple of the features of that, starting with the multimedia. Currently we're just sat on the music collection screen, however we've got DAB, USB, AUX and of course Bluetooth audio, along with Bluetooth telephone of course. Get over to the navigation view, which is a really user-friendly and very clever system utilising real-time traffic updates as well to keep you on the fastest route possible. Going back to the main menu, being that we are in a facelift car, we've also got the newer iDrive update as well. This means that everything is separated into little sub-menus, making it that little bit nicer on the eye and a little bit more user-friendly. Down here is where we'll find the dual climate controls, along with the switches for the heated seats. In terms of mileage, this car's covered just over 21,000 miles, so again a nice low mileage example. And I did mention of course it's the 8-speed sports automatic. We've also got cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all situated on the multifunction MSPORT steering wheel. And if I go over into vehicle information, you can see there that it's not due a service for 19,000 miles, which is fantastic news for any potential next owner of the car, because of course it does mean that there's no service costs within plenty of time. So thank you for taking the time to watch the video. I do of course hope you've enjoyed it and of course found it useful. If you do have any further questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below and I'll happily get back to you as soon as possible. And of course, for further information, please remember that down below in the description you'll find links to the website along with direct contact details for us here at Your Next Car. Thank you guys, we'll hopefully see yourself soon. Do of course take care. Thank you, goodbye.